Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic concept, now a reality that's altering the fabric of our daily lives. From the way we work, shop, and communicate, to how we tackle complex challenges in healthcare and scientific research, AI is everywhere. It's in our smartphones, our homes, even in our cars. But it's not just about convenience. This technology is revolutionizing industries, transforming economies, and driving unprecedented innovation. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's reshaping our world. Let's delve into why people are harnessing its power. Welcome back to Income in Shape. Artificial intelligence isn't a concept confined to tech savants and Hollywood blockbusters anymore. Let's delve into why everyday individuals are turning to AI. Routine task automation. AI is an expert at automating mundane tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and transaction processing. It lifts the burden, enabling you to focus on more thought-intensive tasks. Think of it as a tireless personal assistant. Data analysis, enhancement. AI's proficiency in analyzing vast amounts of data rapidly makes it a crucial tool for market research, trend analysis, and financial forecasting. It's like having a crystal ball for your business. Customer service improvement. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are always available to handle customer inquiries, bookings, and support tickets, enhancing response times and customer satisfaction. Personalization. In marketing and retail, AI tailors user experiences by recommending products or services based on past behavior and preferences. Healthcare progress. In healthcare, AI is making advancements in disease diagnosis, patient outcome prediction, and treatment plan personalization. It's like having an intelligent doctor on standby. Smart device optimization. AI is the intellect behind smart home devices and wearables, enhancing energy use, security, and daily task management. Research and development. In research and development, AI accelerates simulations, data analysis, and pattern recognition, fostering innovation in diverse fields. Safety and surveillance. AI is enhancing security and surveillance systems with its facial recognition and anomaly detection capabilities, helping to react to safety threats more efficiently. Logistics and supply chain management. AI perfects routes, manages inventory, and predicts supply chain disruptions, enhancing operational efficiency. Creative processes. In creative industries, AI is generating music, art, content, and even aiding in game development, offering new tools for creativity, and these are just some instances of how AI is being leveraged. The horizon is limitless, and the benefits are undeniably significant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to Income in Shape for the latest updates. Let's get your income in shape together. As we've seen, AI is not a distant future. It's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. From automating routine tasks to enhancing data analysis, improving customer service to personalizing experiences, AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. Whether it's healthcare, logistics, or the creative process, AI's potential is limitless. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Income in Shape for more insights into the world of AI and beyond.